Hey everyone, and welcome back to Home's Inspiration Studios channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of the home, the trendy kitchen design ideas and tips to decorate kitchen area to look stylish and beautiful. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're exploring the world of trendy kitchen design. Now, what exactly does trendy mean? In the world of kitchens, it's all about incorporating the latest styles and features that are both visually stunning and functionally sound. The catch with trends, however, is that they can come and go. You wouldn't want to invest in a kitchen renovation that feels dated in a few years. The good news is, trendy elements can often be layered strategically to create a timeless foundation with a modern twist. This way, you get the best of both worlds. A kitchen that reflects your personal style and keeps up with the times. So, why go trendy with your kitchen design? There are several advantages. First, trendy kitchens tend to incorporate smarter storage solutions and innovative appliances, making your cooking experience more efficient and enjoyable. Second, a trendy kitchen can boost your home's value if you're ever thinking of selling. And most importantly, a well-designed trendy kitchen creates a space that inspires creativity and sparks joy every time you use it. Now, let's get down to the fun part. The top 10 trendy kitchen design ideas for 2024. 1. Bold and beautiful cabinets. Move over, white cabinets. This year is all about embracing color and personality. Deep jewel tones like emerald green or sapphire blue create a dramatic statement, while earthy tones like terracotta or sage green add warmth and sophistication. You can even mix and match colors for a truly unique look. 2. Statement backsplashes. The backsplash is your canvas to showcase your personality. Think beyond traditional subway tile and explore unique options like handmade Moroccan zellige tiles, geometric patterns in bold colors, or even a statement piece of art behind your stove. 3. Warm metals make a comeback. Brushed brass, copper, and even rose gold are making a splash in trendy kitchens. These warm metals add a touch of luxury and complement a variety of cabinet colors. Use them on hardware, lighting fixtures, or even an accent appliance like a range hood. 4. Multifunctional kitchen islands. The kitchen island is no longer just for prep work. Consider incorporating seating, a built-in sink or cooktop, or even a hidden wine fridge to create a truly multifunctional space. 5. Smart appliances take center stage. From voice-activated ovens to smart refrigerators that track your grocery inventory, technology is making its way into the kitchen in a big way. These smart appliances not only add a touch of futuristic flair but also make your life easier and more efficient. 6. Sustainable materials are chic. Eco-conscious consumers are in luck. Sustainable materials like bamboo countertops, recycled glass backsplashes, and reclaimed wood accents are not only good for the planet but also add a unique, rustic charm to your kitchen. 7. Open shelving with a curated look. Open shelving is a great way to showcase your favorite dishes and decorative items. However, the key is curation. Edit ruthlessly and arrange items in a visually appealing way to avoid a cluttered look. 8. Maximizing natural light. Natural light not only brightens your kitchen but also creates a more welcoming atmosphere. If you're renovating, consider installing skylights or larger windows. Even small changes like removing window coverings can make a big difference. 9. Statement lighting sets the mood. The right lighting can transform your kitchen. Pendant lights over the island, recessed lighting for task areas, and warm under-cabinet lighting can create a layered and inviting ambience. 10. Pops of greenery keep it fresh. Plants not only add a touch of life to your kitchen but also improve air quality. Opt for low-maintenance herbs or hanging plants that won't obstruct your workspace. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 trendy kitchen design ideas to elevate your culinary haven. Remember, these are just starting points to inspire you. The key is to create a kitchen that reflects your personal style and how you use the space. What are your favorite trendy kitchen design elements? Leave a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Home's Inspiration Studios channel for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.